Hey everyone, John Rossin here, and today I'm going to be answering one of the questions that has been asked a lot, and this is for you, young boss. He wanted to know how or what is affiliate marketing and how can you be successful with it. Um, Again, like I said, every time you guys ask me questions, you want something to be answered, I'll come here and answer it to you on the live. Depends on the time, it doesn't matter. That's why I tell you guys like leave the questions on there, and if I'm not, then I'll insert this. But if you're there, you're active and whatever, it makes it easier for all of us. So, what is affiliate marketing? I'm so sorry, I'm still a little bit under the weather, so it's very simple. Affiliate marketing is literally endorsing another product. Um, Back then in the old days, like when people like do it's called broadcasting because it's very broad. You're casting like or everybody, so you can't really get like a specific person. However, though, with the internet, it's quite easy these days for you to do affiliate marketing. Me personally, I'm an affiliate marketer, and you can even be an affiliate marketer by promoting your own product, aka if you do like a course, if you make something. Um, I'm also an affiliate marketer for Apple. Don't think this is what I'm trying to sell here. As you can see, I got four Apple four iPhone products in there, and I'm gonna go into details right now and show you guys how you do affiliate marketing and how you go about it and how you get successful with affiliate marketing. So, let's jump into my screen here real quick. Something. As you can see, I was making some of the YouTube videos. When you're sick, like laziness kicks in. Like I did my YouTube video today, so I'm on schedule, but I still have to go do adult stuff like paying bills and stuff like that. All right, so let's get into it. Pretty much like everything that every market out here has a whatchamacallit. Every single market out here has an affiliate program. Amazon is one of them. For example, my students, I send them all the time, whatchamacallit, affiliate marketing software, so that way they themselves can whatchamacallit. Nope. Let me do this one over here real quick. I would like to say hello to Tommy. Thank you for stopping by, brother. Today we're going over affiliate marketing and what is it and what we do about that. Oh man, it has to be sent to my phone. Yep, there we go. This thing takes two authentication, so just give me 1 second. I have to approve it real quick. 296. So me, I'm part of the Amazon affiliate. So as you can see, this is Amazon affiliate. Now, I don't recommend you go do Amazon affiliate unless you know, but this is just an example. For me, this is not where my main money comes from. However, though, on the email sequence that I send my students, they have really good books that I know that's gonna help them. Now, it's not. I know some people may think like it's not like bragging, reading, or anything. It's just when my mentor, like whenever they teach me, when they tell you something, like sit down and read something, it's really important. So if we go in here real quick, what should we call it? This is the one. So if I go click like a book, for example, what should we call it? Let's just say the sciences of getting rich. So I'm not an Amazon Prime. Okay, let's just take this book for example. So I on my emails I send to people, all I gotta do is literally write an email, go up here, it's not that, go up here, take this code, and wherever this code is and whoever clicks on this code, hi Sean, how you doing, man? They themselves can go ahead and then purchase this book, meaning whatever percentage that Amazon recommend from this book, I get some of this percentage. Now it doesn't have to be Amazon, it can literally be anything. Apple too is one that I recommend. Apple affiliate program, I think it's called. Partner, some program don't even want to call it affiliate because it can be a bad word for certain companies, but Apple partnership, you can do literally every major company out there has a affiliate program. Now really, to break it down to the nitty gritty, what is affiliate marketing is, it's literally recommending a product. It's either recommending someone else's product or it's recommending your product. Now how are you gonna be successful with this is how you can scale up to your business, however you want to scale up your business. For example, let's say you're selling a $15 like those iPhone headset. This is what your company is based as a headphone company. To scale up, you're gonna need like thousands of dollars in order to earn a living from that. But let's say you're just promoting like the iMac, the book and stuff like that, which I do personally, not on this business, but for the SMMA business that I provide for people. If they come in and then they purchase like $1,000 of an iMac, and then you get 10%, that's $100. So that means in a week, if you sell 10 of these, you make $1,000. But within headphones, you'd have to send thousands and thousands of dollars of headphones in order to make that money back. For example, like those iPhone, I do iPhone refurbish, and the reason why I say there's also, you gotta know the rules. Like I do a lot of iPhone not refurbish or fix, like there's the rules that I have to abide with, because I have to show proof to Apple that I purchased that and then I'm reselling it. It can be given, it can be, there's a lot of like things that happens in the background that you need to understand. This is for you guys that wanted that answer being answered. Literally, that is all I do. I find a really good product and I promote it to someone. Now how do you scale up and be very successful with this? I'm gonna grab Photoshop real quick. That way you're not constantly having to like go product, like sending people to some places, do things that you need to do. It's quite simple. Just give me a second here till Photoshop opens. And as I said, it doesn't need to be just Amazon. You can do it for Apple product, you can do it for any, like literally go Best Buy, I think too does it. Like you can literally find any big company, type either affiliate marketing for them or partnership for them. But some high grade companies do that, where they want to say partnership. Some email companies that I work for also do this thing where they just want to say, you just have to say partnership. Where's Photoshop? Oh my god, this is so slow. I'm sorry guys, I'm a bit sick, but this is just to answer this question that I hate this type of moment, man. But at least I know I did my YouTube videos. I just have to edit it after this, so I'm on point. Alright, so the way you want to be successful with this, where you're not constantly scaling up, like for me, my business, like it's automatic. Like people find me, I put it away where people find me, and everything else down the line is automatic. So this right here is what's called your website. But I don't use like a traditional website like everybody think I use a traditional website. I do what's called a lead capture page. or a lead capture, or you could call it a sales page, sales funnel page, but they're both in the same lead capture or sales funnel page. So I don't do a traditional, again, I don't do a traditional website like everybody does. So whenever people come, it directs them to one places, and that's to get their email. So as soon as I get their email, um, legally, because again, all of this is there's a way to go about this. They become part of my mailing list. So to give you an example of this, how you can understand this really well, when you go to the supermarket and then you're gonna send coupon, it's literally the exact same thing. When you go to the supermarket, you sign up, you give your address. When people are sending you coupon for you to buy, you're doing the exact same thing. It's no difference. When Joe Rogan is on is or whatever podcast you're listening to, and that person say blah blah blah, this and that is the company name, and then they endorse the rest of the backlink, go to like godaddy.com/Rostan, godaddy.com/whoever, you're recommending this product. So whenever somebody comes in, they put their email in, they get into your email list, then that's it. That is pretty much it. As me as a mentor, there's extra step that I have to take because I have to work with my students to make sure that they get result, but that is it. Whatever thing that you have here, like you're selling, that is it. A lead capture page, and then they get into your email list. So then you can continuously send them offers every day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You get what I'm saying. And what happened is, like, throughout these days, the more people see you, the more offers that you're sending them, the more they trust you. And one of these days, you're gonna make a sale. Like, but when you get better, the better. I'm trying to draw a money sign here. That is it. That is all affiliate marketing. Literally, to my students, I literally send them book offers. That's it. I don't do anything. My other SMMA business is a cash flow business for me, because I like Apple product, and I learned, like, I there's a lot of things when you want to become even more of an expert that you do to learn sales. That is pretty much it. I don't like have to do much, man. Woo. So yeah, that is all affiliate marketing is. It is endorsing someone else's product. Like I said, it doesn't have to be for just Amazon. Guitar Center has a if you're a musician, Guitar Center. Now, the reason why I say there's a way to do this, like, not all marketers gonna be the same. Me being a mentor, I can do a lead page, but if you're gonna do Guitar Center, obviously you're not just gonna be having a lead page. You're gonna have like either a podcast or something like that is gonna attract people to come to you, because people can go to Guitar Center. Why do they have to come to you yourself in order to buy that guitar, or you get endorsed and stuff? Which is sucks, because like I used to work for Guitar Center, and I see people who recently keeps working at Guitar Center, like they get 30% off anything they buy in there. After 3 months you were at Guitar Center, they get 30% off. That means if something is $100, they can buy it for 70. They can resell it for 80. I mean, 70. They can resell it for 90 and make a $20 profit. But they don't know that because they don't have that skill. So their skill is to sit in there and then. Can you tell I hate people from Guitar Center? Because every time I used to go there, and I hated that job. Like, how are you gonna pay me $10 an hour? Might as well like work at McDonald's. Actually, McDonald's sounds pretty over. I'm not hating on any company. I'm just saying, you have a certain skills. You have a set of skills. You have these set of skills, and that's it. Again, like, I'm not even gonna make it so hard for you to understand. Is lead capture page, sales page, and then right here you go into your email list, and then you just keep emailing them every day. But there's a way. This is the simplified version of it, but there's a way that you have to do it for each market in order for work. Like for example, let's say you're selling say you're selling books, right? And then you do it on I was about to sneeze for a second. You do it on Instagram. Instagram is a visual company. How are you gonna get these people to see your image and then send them to the one link, the one and only link that you have on your bio? Um, how? I know how to do it, and those offers would definitely work with an upsell or OTO. That's why I cannot sit here and do every example for people. That's why you can just go ahead and get a mentor. As a matter of fact, I'll just leave like a 5-day free day sequence for you guys up here. Um, but yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. You're just an endorser of a product. So I'll leave you guys a 5 free day sequence or whatever. If there's any more question that you guys wanna ask me or anything, or any of this part of this that you're, even though you're already an affiliate marketer and you know much what you're doing and you want me to go more into details on one of these, then just again leave a question and I'll be more than willing to answer it for you. As for me, I'm going back to my content creation and editing videos for today, because that's my job. Hi guys, peace. I'll see you on the other side.